At WhisperKOOL, we've expanded our product line with the development of higher capacity cooling systems. Cellar contractors have asked for a cooling system that can handle larger and more challenging wine cellars. Introducing the Quantum Series. These products have been designed as split systems with multiple ducting options, allowing for flexibility on installation. The Quantum Series cooling systems are available in two sizes, 9,000 BTUs and 12,000 BTUs. These systems are capable of maintaining wine cellars up to 4,000 cubic feet in size and can operate in ambient conditions as low as -15 degrees. The evaporator coil is designed with electrofin coating to minimize corrosion and maximize longevity. The Quantum Series cooling systems will give you that extra boost of cooling power, backed with a 2-year warranty and the quality you've come to expect from WhisperKOOL.